Does anyone else find that wearing a heavy backpack on a long bike ride just kills the enjoyment? You start off feeling fine, but by the halfway point, your shoulders are tight, your back is sweaty, and you just want to get off the bike. I have been looking for ways to move that weight from my body to the bike frame itself. It is a simple shift, but it changes your entire center of gravity and makes for a much more relaxed riding position. That is where this aluminum alloy front rack comes into the picture. It is a basic, no-nonsense luggage shelf bracket that fits onto the front of your bike, designed to hold panniers or small gear bags. The choice of aluminum is really key here. It provides a solid, rigid structure that can handle your daily essentials without adding a ton of bulk to the front end of your ride. Useful clues to review include category/context, motorcycle accessories, aluminum, material/finish, aluminum, use case, car, bike, current listed price, $37.56, listed discount, 50%. If a detail is unclear, treat it as something to verify rather than a guaranteed feature. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible. Whether you are a daily commuter carrying a laptop bag or just need a place to stash a rain jacket during a weekend ride, having this extra shelf makes a big difference in your organization. Now, before you rush to add this to your setup, take a look at your bike fork. You need to confirm that you have the correct eyelets or mounting points to secure this bracket safely. It is worth noting that this has already seen a lot of use by others, with over 1,100 orders placed. It is a well-regarded option for those looking to upgrade their bike without breaking the bank. Currently, it is sitting at about $37, which is a nice discount from the original price. It is definitely a more affordable way to enhance your bike's utility compared to high-end custom racks. Always double-check your bike's compatibility and measurements. A little bit of planning during the installation phase ensures that your load stays balanced and clear of the front wheel. The listed price is $37.56, but final cost can change with variant, tax, promotion, stock, and shipping. Confirm the current checkout details before ordering. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. If you are tired of the backpack life, this rack could be a great upgrade to check out. Take a look at the details and see if it fits your specific ride requirements. Before treating aluminum alloy MTB road bike as a quick buy, start with the real problem. Does it reduce a practical friction, or does it only look useful in the listing? The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim.